This is me using the Q9 mic. I'm gonna be unboxing later this video. But usually in my other videos, I add some noise cancellation and audio effects to this one and make it sound a little bit better. So, because this is a unboxing of a mic and a review of a mic, I'm not gonna do any of that. So it's gonna be the raw mic audio with all the background noises and everything. So when you hear it later on, yeah, you'll be able to tell a difference, hopefully. Unless I'm doing nothing. Alright, to the intro. GOATeejay, unboxing. So, like and subscribe, and let's get into it. I purchased the Tonor USB microphone kit, streaming podcast PC condenser, computer mic, for gaming, YouTube recording music, voiceover, studio mic bundle with adjustment arm stand Q9. So I ordered that yesterday. And it's just arrived. So I do a little unboxing video in the meantime. So here we got the package. Wow, look at all this empty space. Crazy. 2-year warranty card. Okay, that's cool beans. Cool beans indeed. So the manual. Let's put it together. First and foremost, the little, I already forgot what it's called. This is the pop filter. It's supposed to stop wind. Maybe it's effective. Next we got the shock mount to hold it and connect the thingamajigger. Got the little microphone head. What else could fit in here? And we have the table mount, so it can hook on here or somewhere. And yeah, then we have the scissor arm. Feels kind of good quality metal. Doesn't seem too light. With the springs, yeah, it's not even really on there. All you have to do is just pull it over the bolt and the springs come off. So is that a flaw? I don't think so. The Unidirectional Microphone with the power cord? Okay, I was about to say. I saw this at the bottom. I was like, did I get this without a power cord? So am I supposed to use it? Take a good look at it. And yeah. So now let's put it together. First, scissor arm. This side is where the mic goes. And the base, part that connects to the table. Hit it with the 1, 2, and then lots and lots of turning. I was about to say, if it can't fit, my table's not even that thick. It's only about, I don't know, inch or two. Alright, so step 1, complete. Step 2, the pop filter. So based on the image, you simply just put the yeah on the yeah. Alright, so sit here and tighten it, I guess. I'm not seeing how it's supposed to be done. Step 2 has just been completed. The pop filter is done. So, step 3, this thing right here. Even more turning. And then the microphone. Place it in the little hole. Can I open? So I later found out there are these little clamps on the side that when pushed together let you open it easier. So watch me struggle. Alright, this is how it looks. Yep, that's exactly how it looks on the thingamabob. And then the power cord. Yippee. Yep, a little light to show it's powered on. So now, after setting up the microphone completely, it's time to test it in comparison to this headset I have. I've been using this mic on all my past videos. This is the Rode ELO 7.1 Air. It's Turtle Beach brand. It's a wireless headset for PCs. It goes for about $100, and yeah, the sound quality is really good. I like the wireless aspect. Lets me move around, without having the cord. I just gotta charge it from time to time, So, now to compare the audio quality between the two. This is the mic you've been hearing the whole video, so you already heard it. So now, to change to the Q9. you hear my audio now. The audio is clearer, crisper, and I just sound overall better. Like, this is much better audio quality than what I've been putting y'all through this whole time. And it's an improvement in video production quality overall. So I'm going to be using this on all my upcoming videos. One thing I didn't do yet, the hood. So now you will be able to hear in the video the difference between how it was 2 seconds ago without it and how it is now. And to show you, let me transition between these two mics to really show you. Like here. So right now, just transitioned from the good one to the bad one, you know, between conversation. I'm just gonna keep switching between so you can really tell the difference between them, you know? Yeah. So I give it a good rating. It only cost me $30. It's a high quality mic, records high quality audio. The sensitivity's pretty good. Not sure if you hear those birds chirping in the background or not. And yeah, easy to put together. No manual was apparently necessary, and great for the price. So if you're looking for a mic around $50, I'd say this is a pretty good option.
Legendary Buddhas, 100 things to do before a heist. Isn't that a ripoff of Nancy Classic? Bella and the Bulldogs? Anyway, so the question has to be asked. Which live action show is the best? GOATeejay here to answer that question once and for all.